Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your Samsung model and Android version because menu labels change slightly. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Accessibility. Make sure to use the main Settings app rather than a shortcut. Locate TalkBack or Screen Reader first because it changes gestures and navigation. Tap the service and disable it. You may need to use two-finger swipe gestures if TalkBack is active. Also check vision enhancements and interaction controls so you remove layered accessibility features before proceeding. Now you methodically disable the core accessibility services one by one so your phone returns to standard behavior. First, turn off TalkBack or Voice Assistant completely, then stop magnification and color inversion. These affect how you see and touch the screen. Next, visit interaction controls and switch off Assistant menu, touch and hold delay, and switch access because they intercept taps. Make sure to confirm any prompts. If a confirmation appears, accept it to fully remove the service, and then restart the affected app if needed. Finish by restarting your Samsung so the disabled services stop running and settings take effect. Once restarted, return to accessibility and scan for any remaining toggles like captions or audio descriptions. Turn them off. If odd behaviors persist, reset accessibility settings to defaults to clear custom profiles. Make sure to reboot again. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps and check for system updates. Because a buggy update can cause persistent accessibility behavior, use these steps to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.